Welcome back everybody to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade color safe bleach. Okay guys, welcome back, and today we're making homemade color safe bleach. I don't know how many guys and gals know how to do this, but this is good for your colored clothes. It gets stains out, dirt out, makes your clothes smell and your towels smell so much fresher. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is take an empty jug, one that you're not going to use water, Kool-Aid, tea, whatever in. Get a funnel. We're going to start by pouring a cup and a half of hydrogen peroxide into the container. Just regular hydrogen peroxide you buy at the store. And then you can get a fresh squeeze with lemon if you'd rather. I'm just using regular old lemon juice. You're going to pour half a cup. Try to make sure I get to the half cup limit. Give me a second, guys. This is a clear thing with clear marking, so it's kind of hard to tell. Okay, I got it to the half a cup. Now we're going to add the lemon juice. So far we got a cup and a half hydrogen peroxide and a half a cup of lemon juice. One more ingredient, and then we add water. And that would be a half a cup of vinegar. Your white vinegar. Oh, that was fixing to just pour it in there. Vinegar does so much cleaning. It's good for a lot of your cleaning stuff. Vinegar is really good to have on hand. And there's the half a cup. I love to have it cleaning and for clothes and stuff. That's why I was going to go pour it on in there. So there goes the half a cup of vinegar. And then we're going to fill it all up with water. And then what you'll do is give this a good shake. Every time you go to use it, you're going to use about a half a cup on each load of clothes that you use it on, and towels. Your towels will come out way better. You don't necessarily have to use fabric softener if you use this, but you can. But it does get some of the grime and grit out and make your towels not necessarily like the first day you bought them, but fluffier, at least to me. Alright, give it a little bit of shake room there. Alright, get the funnel out. And these are all good properties to have anyways. You know, the lemon juice, the peroxide, and vinegar to have on hand for cleaning, for, of course, health care. And give this a good shake. And like I said, you know, give it a good shake before you pour like a half a cup into your laundry load where the bleach section is in your washer. That's where it'll go. It was where you pour your bleach. Do not use bleach with this by any means, but this is your color safe bleach for your colored clothes. It's very good to use with your colored clothes and your towels. I've used it for over a year. I enjoy using it. I will not go back to the color safe alternatives in the stores. So I thought I'd bring this to you today. If you want to try to make it, again, it is a cup and a half of peroxide, a half a cup of lemon juice, and a half a cup of vinegar. Thank you for joining our channel. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. We enjoy having y'all here. See you on the flip side. God bless.